this starfish cheeked up. Hey guys, vlog. I haven't vlogged in a while because I couldn't find the charger for my camera, so I had to order a new one. Hello. It's a mud skipper. It's a mud skipper.
Look at him, he's lit up.
Oh my gosh.
He is lit up.
That's so weird.
Is this one still alive?
Yeah.
I thought it's like a thing.
Oh my god. Where are the fun facts? It really does.
Look at his mouth. He's at the tip, Gab. Look at his mouth.
It's pretty good to get oxygen from
Look,
it
see?
and stuff too.
I'm excited. It's insecure.
I wish you could see it.
He's a fatty.
He's decompressing. Oh. How majestic. Imagine if it just started giving birth. Me when I see a pregnant person. What? This is so ugly. What are these? Why are they moving like that?
Sometimes even boats.
Medusa Luna.
Oh, one is close right there.
It's beautiful. Oh my god! It's huge! I was not expecting it. I didn't even see it at first.
He's weird. His gills are on the outside.
Oh, that's it. This one's like rainbow.
That's so beautiful too, right?
Yeah.
So what is this thing called?
Warty comb jelly. They could have given it a prettier name.
Yeah, exactly. See,
Oh my god. She's chilling.
You look so disoriented. Oh my goodness. Look at this one. We just finished our trip at the aquarium. So how would you rate the aquarium?
It was very cool. However, I did not see the pooping sea lion, so I give it an 8 out of 10.
It was very cool. I liked the
I have a video
jellyfish.
of a seal, guys, playing with a ball. He was doing a flip. He was doing just flips.
Bro was playing with ball.
Bro was playing with ball. That's what I'm saying.
That's kind of weird. Guys, we just ate at the crab shack.
We ate at the crab. Well, okay. First of all, I went to the wrong freaking crab shack, so I had to walk 11 minutes towards the new crab, the other crab shack. First of all, why are there 2 crab shacks in the same area? I don't understand.
One is an
We
express.
sent you guys the location.
I know. My sister could have stopped me. We were walking the wrong direction, and she didn't stop me.
Guys, we're going to Malibu on a picnic. And it's gonna be crazy.
Oh, we're down.
just lay down. Just lay down. No.
Guys, the seal! The seal!
The seal's back.
The seal's back!
There's something over there out in the water too.
I swear to God, I saw something.
Over there. Oh, there it is! Dude, it's just chilling. Oh, there's dolphins! There's dolphins!
seals and dolphins.
They're coexisting. It's happening.
Oh my god, it's gonna swim up to those people.
Oh crap.
Oh my
Oh,
god.
crap. What's gonna happen?
The tide is taking it in.
Oh god. There are dolphins within 2 miles of us.
Oh my god! There it is! No, I don't see it!
It's just a person.
No, it's not. Is it? Why is it just floating like that? There it goes!
Crap. Crap. Those people don't even know. Those people don't even know that there's a seal.
in their midst.
There's a seal right in front of them.
I don't know where the dolphins are. Oh, the dolphins! The dolphins! Oh my god! This is crazy! Freaking dolphins. And I know they're gonna pop out again. There they are! They're over there! Why is it so blurry? They're there, I swear! I swear! They don't even see it!
There's a seal next to you guys.
It's on the beach!
There is a seal
It's on the
right
beach!
next to you.
Oh my god!
They don't even know. They're not
Oh
even
my
looking
god!
at
The
it.
seal's right next to you, ma'am!
There's people staring at us. Guys, the seal was a rock. The seal was a rock. But it was over here. The seal was over here.
I don't think that rock was there before. I don't think it was. There it is.
We were screaming really loud about it being a seal.
To be fair,
And it was a rock.
to be fair, I think it was a seal at first. And now
there
that
was
thing
there
laying
was
on
a
the
seal.
beach, that thing laying on the beach is not what we saw in the water.
The couple next to us was staring at us. To our left.
Were they?
Yeah. When we were screaming about the seal being next to those people.
When I went, ma'am, there's a seal next to you.
Oh, this is humiliating.
Embarrassing.